Six settings you must turn on your iPhone. Do you want to buy an iPhone or you have been using iPhone and you complain about battery and your privacy? Then turn off these six settings to prevent your battery as well prevent your privacy on iPhone. This video is grouped into two. We talk about your battery lives as well as this privacy on your device. The first thing you have to do, guys, is to turn on the setting to give your battery life to last long. So go ahead and tap on the settings button. Once tap on the settings button, then go ahead and tap on general. Tapping on general brings you to this interface, then scroll down and tap on background app refresh. This button, tap on it. Once tap on it, if yours is toggle on like this, then guys, you have to toggle it off because all these apps use more of battery, use more of data on your device, and it's a kind of setting that you need to enable so that your battery on your iPhone will last longer and more of your data will be conserved, because each time you open your iPhone, these apps that you see here, guys, use more of your data, use more of your battery. So to prevent your battery from drain very fast, make sure you tap on this button and tap on off. So once you tap on it off and the apps is off like this, then this will prevent your phone from using more of your battery, thereby make your battery last longer. Not only that, guys, it also preserve your data on your phone. Under battery settings that you need to do is very simple, guys. Under the same settings, then scroll down to the base of this button where you see apps, tap on apps. Then under apps, then locate and tap on mail. You can as well search for mail using the search bar and tap in mail. So let's quickly search for mail here. Now tap on mail. Once you open mail, it comes up like this. Go ahead and tap on mail account. Once tap on mail account, you see this one that says fetch new data. Make sure yours is toggled off. If it is on like this, guys, the first thing you have to do is to tap on it to toggle it off. Once toggle it off like this, then that will prevent this push button to bring other information from Gmail, USOD, and iCloud to your phone. This will also prevent the battery from drain very fast. Not only that, guys, it also prevents your data. If you use your mobile data, it also conserve your data. Then under the fetch button, you see different option here, from automatic, manually, hourly, every 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Make sure you tap on manually. It means you manually refresh your apps, thereby preventing your phone from draining more of your battery, and also prevent your data from using from prevent your phone from using excess data. That is the first thing you have to do, guys, to keep your iPhone battery last longer on your device. So if you have not subscribed and you've enjoyed what I've explained, guys, please take few seconds of your time, subscribe for important update on this channel. The next thing we are going to cover now that we're going to see on the settings is on how to put our privacy in a good shape, because you don't want to share your information with third-party apps and we don't want to share your information with Apple itself. The first thing you have to do, guys, is to go to settings and tap on it. Once tap on setting, then tap on privacy and security. Just scroll up a bit until you see privacy and security. Tap on it. Once tap on privacy and security, then go ahead and tap on analytics improvement. You have to scroll up a bit before you see the analytics improvement button. Tap on it. Once tap on it, it comes up like this. If all this button is enabled on your phone, guys, try as much as you can to toggle it on. Yes, try as much as you can to toggle. If everything here is enabled on your phone, try as much as you can, guys, to toggle it on. One, this will prevent your phone from using more of your battery. It will also prevent your phone from using more of the data. So ensure that you toggle off everything in this place. It is very compulsory to toggle it off everything here so that your data, your privacy will be secured and your personal information will not be shared with third party. It is always recommend to toggle it off. Majorly the this share iPhone analytics must be toggled off. Then share iCloud analytics must be toggled off. Then improve Siri and dictation must be toggled off. This is very good. Make sure you toggle off this button. Then improve assessment voice visual. Toggle off everything here. It conserve your battery then as well. It keep your privacy secure. The next thing you have to do is just to come over under privacy and security again, tap on advertising app. That is this app advertising button, tap on it. If this button is toggled on your device, guys, I've toggled it off. Make sure you toggle it off. This prevents unnecessary adverts on your phone. Whenever you use any app on your phone, this prevents unnecessary advert on your phone. Make sure you toggle this particular button off. If you don't do that, guys, you're going to receive series of apps on your device, series of ads on your device you wish you might not even like to. So always endeavor to toggle these settings off. Now the next thing you have to do, guys, is to go under setting as well, because everything we are discussing here is under setting. Then under privacy and security as well, go ahead and tap on privacy and security as well. Once you tap on privacy and security, then tap on service location. Then once you tap on service location, make sure that this button, all this service location here, make sure that this button are off. You turn off this service location. You turn off the service location. Service location will be disabled to all apps, but your personal location service setting for apps will be temporarily stored if you find me phone is enabled. So make sure you turn off the service location. Consider that all the service location here has been turned off. And if you turn it on, maybe you use Find My App location, then you need to scroll down to the base and select any of these apps and ask them not to use your location. For example, let me locate Instagram now. When you share, so you may turn it to never or always ask. So that will be the best thing for you. Then scroll down to the base of this page where you see system services, tap on it. Well, tap on system services, guys. There are some settings you need to take a look at here, guys, and turn off. This one tells you that this app used my phone the last 24 hours. Then the one that you see in the Greek color, use it in a few days ago. So make sure you toggle off all this. The most important one here, guys, is this one that says significant location. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it comes up like this, provides your face ID to unlock this button. Make sure that this particular one is turned off. This will prevent your accurate location to be shared with any other apps, with anybody, with any apps on the device. So turn off this button, guys, to keep your privacy secure. It is a very good thing, guys, to turn off your location service so that it is only you that will keep your location. I don't want any apps to share your location with any other party. The next thing you have to do now, once you've done that, is to go to setting and apps again. So as I've mentioned this setting, then scroll down to the apps, tap on apps. Under apps, go to Safari or Google Chrome. So we're going to talk about the two in this device, then go to Safari. Let's talk about Safari. Safari is an inbuilt browser for iPhone. Then under Safari, guys, you have to scroll down to privacy and security. So under privacy and security, you have two important things that you need to turn off here. The first one is cross site tracking. If this button is enabled on your device, make sure you turn it off. Why to turn it off is that your device will get your information from your Facebook, from any other apps you use on your device, and send appropriate apps to your device. But you don't want that apps to keep popping up on your device. Then you need to turn off this particular setting. Tap on to turn it off. Then make sure you tap and hide your IP address. It is always a good thing to turn off your IP address. This will prevent your IP address from being accessible by any other app or any other website you visited. So it's always good, guys, to turn off this, but make sure that your IP address is turned off as the one you see here, guys. This is a very good setting that you need to enable and use on your device. The next one we want to talk, if you use Google Chrome or Chrome on your device, go ahead and do the same thing so that you toggle off this particular setting. Under Chrome, then scroll up a bit until you see this button that says allow cross website tracking. It's what you need to turn off right away on your device. If you use this, it sends unnecessary information to other apps, thereby using the apps with your information to share and give unnecessary adverts on your device. So make sure you turn off this particular button so that your information will not be shared across this device, and unnecessary the ads will not be sent to your apps on your phone rather. So that is all you have to do now to have the best of your iPhone. So if you enjoy what I've explained and you've not subscribed, please take 1 second of your time and subscribe for more updates like this.